Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, I'm Melissa. And today what I wanted to do was I wanted to go back into the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. And I wanted to create another look because it seemed like it did really good. Everybody kind of liked the other video. So we're going to do another look, and if that's something that you want to see, then just keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and put up my hair. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses and put on some Milani eye primer. I've been using the Milani eye primer just to test out all these different palettes. I think it helps if you use the same base so you kind of know if the shadow's working right or not. I'm going to take this shade right here called Getting Ready, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Take Weekend Plans right there, and I'm going to put that in my crease, try to darken it up just a little bit. I'm going to take this brown OU right here. I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to take this shade right here called Woe Is Me, and I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lid. Kind of doing more of a neutral look today since we went a little colorful last time. I'm sorry it was so loud. I forgot to turn the air conditioner off again. I'm taking a cotton round, some micellar water, and I'm just going to clean up any fallout and on my lines. Alright, I'm taking the NYX Angel Veil, and I'm going to put that all over my face. I'm taking Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation in Porcelain. And I'm going to dot that all over my face. And if you don't know, this is actually the foundation from Dollar General. They sell it, it's a brand at Dollar General. And I'm taking my BK Beauty brush and going to blend that out. I'm taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. I'm going to put that all under my eyes. I'm going to blend that out with my concealer brush. I'm taking the Flower Light Illusion Perfecting Powder, and I'm going to put that on my under eyes. Alright, now I'm taking the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder Palette, and I'm going to take this first shade up here, and I'm going to put that all over my face to warm it up. I'm taking the Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. I probably butchered that. But I'm going to take the Gemini shade, and I'm going to put that on my cheek. Going over the nose. And I'm going to take Shine, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Going over my brow, other brow, down the nose, cupid's bow, and chin. I'm going to take this brown that I used, and I'm going to put it underneath my eye. I'm going to take this light color, I think it's Cheers to You. I'm going to put that on my inner corner. I'm going to put some Essence Lash Princess on real quick. I'm taking the NYX Professional Makeup Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner in Nude Suede Shoes. I'm gonna line my lips with this. And fill them in. And I'm taking the ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil in Dewdrop from the Wild Nothing collection. And I'm going to put that on my lips as well. Alright, I'm taking the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last Mango Coconut Scented Setting Spray. And I'm just going to spray my face. Alright, so that's the final look using the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. And just like last time, everything blended out smoothly. I think everything worked great. The shimmers were really soft and I was able to use them with a brush and they just worked so good. I'm super excited about this palette and I can't wait to do more with it. I want to do a green look with it, I think. But I'll see if I'll film it or not. But I definitely think if you're thinking about getting this, go for it because it's a great palette. I think that Morphe really stepped their game up this time with the color story and with the formula. I think they did a really great job. So I guess that's going to be all for me today. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe so you can become a part of my family here. And also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I guess that's going to be all for me. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.